First and foremost, I think would be expertise. These organizations are looking to solve a challenge that's pretty difficult to solve holistically. You can do a lot of band-aids, but that might create a larger mess than what you started out with. And so having the breadth of expertise that Nom Nom Data brings across so many different industries, technologies, techniques is really valuable, and saves companies lots of headache, pain, money down the road. The next two reasons are going to be around cost and support. When you think about implementing a robust wealth architected solution, people think it's going to be in the millions of dollars. When we say, hey, yeah, we can do that for a fraction of the cost of a full-time person, it kind of blows a lot of our clients' minds initially. Couple that with the support, which they don't expect for the price tag they're getting. All of our customers have been extremely happy with the outcomes they've gotten for the package that we provide.